to y'all, dishonorable critics. The heat is under the salmon. This is stainless steel. This is worth something. So at the end of the day, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at how hot it gets. I'm not mad if it's stick at the pan. At the end of the day, it can stand more heat than some of you Rosats that is told in interrogation. Y'all folded, and guess what? Anything that got to do with folding, I got to ask you, Rosats, are you anything like the salmon? Because the salmon is catching heat. And guess what? It's not folding. It's standing. Just like that, we're coming to an honorable end. As I begin to will zip the honorable sauce together, I'm preparing to pour it all over the honorable salmon fettuccine. And guess what? I'm going to give you guys understanding, because this honorable salmon fettuccine was the best fettuccine pasta I ever had in my little life. And guess what? That's understanding. King Earner live and direct.